You've been sitting in your room, scrolling through videos, dreaming of starting something big. Days go by and you're still stuck, overwhelmed by all the advice, all the quick tips, and all the noise about YouTube automation. You know you want to start, but you don't know how. Sound familiar? Well, let me tell you something. This video could be the turning point you've been waiting for. Today, I'm going to show you how to take that first step, even if you're a complete beginner, and build a YouTube channel in one of the most profitable niches out there. I'll guide you step by step on how to make videos that people love, how to get views, and how to grow your channel from zero to money-making machine. And guys, it's not going to be a get-rich-quick guide. With the right work and strategy, it can be the start of something truly life-changing. Let's get started. Okay, guys, in the era of YouTube automation, there are a lot of niches out there which can be confusing for some people. But picking the right and most profitable niche is crucial for long-term success. No matter what, the health niche has always been one of the most profitable niches. To prove this, just check out this channel, Doc Unlock. They have over 200,000 subscribers, but here's the most shocking part. They've only uploaded 29 videos. Although the channel stopped making videos 2 years ago, that doesn't change the fact that this niche is incredibly profitable and evergreen. What this channel does is simple. They identify common problems that everyone, including you and me, face every day and then provide solutions that everyone, including you and me, wants. And trust me, you don't need a PhD to make videos in this niche. With the help of AI, you can do everything without even needing to do extensive research. Plus, the RPM for this niche is around $10 to $15 per 1,000 views. So, guys, I recently discovered a new AI tool called Tube Magic that can help you grow your channel into a money-making machine. From getting video ideas to writing powerful scripts, SEO, optimizing your videos perfectly, and even creating the best possible thumbnails, everything can be done in one place. Tube Magic is trusted and used by many successful creators, and that's why I decided to tell you about it. You can create a free account on Tube Magic, and once you land on the dashboard, you'll see this interface. In the home section, you'll find all the powerful AI tools you need to get ahead of the competition. With Tube Magic, you can generate popular video ideas that are trending right now. No need to spend hours on research. Keyword research, script writing, niche research, video descriptions, titles, and tags, all in one place. Today, we'll create a video and fully optimize it for the best possible results. To get started, we'll first head over to the Video Idea Research tool. At this point, you'll need to copy the link of a competitor channel that's already performing well in that niche. After you provide the link to Tube Magic, it will start gathering data about their best performing videos and analyze whether those videos will perform well now too. This way, you'll have one of the best video topics right in front of you. And that's not all. Tube Magic will also explain why that topic is the best choice for you as well. Now that we've got the video topic, we can generate our script with just one click. To be completely honest, writing scripts can be one of the most boring parts of content creation, especially for me. So, creating the best possible script on the best possible topic in just one click is something I've always wanted. Now guys, you can simply select a script template, whether you're creating a general script, a 60-second short video, or even a how-to video, or just want an outline structure for your video. You can do everything here. For today, we'll go with the general script. Now, if you pay attention to the word meter, you can increase or decrease the number of words. If you hover over the I button, you'll see that this number of words corresponds to a particular video length. For example, if you want to make a 10-minute video, you should set the word limit to around 1,500 words. Once you've set it, just click to generate the script, and Tube Magic will work its magic. You see here, Tube Magic is counting the words to create a script based on the exact data you provided. Accuracy is everything, guys. And to be completely honest, I would rate this script a solid 8 out of 10 because it's well written, and there aren't too many hyperbolic words used. Hyperbolic language is what AI often uses, but this script feels almost human written. Now, all you need to do is copy and paste this script into a Word document to save it. Now that we have the script, it's time to move on to creating our video. But our work in Tube Magic isn't done yet. We'll continue with the sequence so everything is easy to follow for each of you. For the voiceover, we'll use 11 Labs. Simply paste your script here. I'll just take a small portion of the script and then choose a good voiceover character. From there, you can generate your script. There's not much to explain in this part, but just make sure that if you're using the free plan of 11 Labs, you include the link to 11 Labs in your video description. Next, for visuals, we'll be using a combination of AI-generated generated images, and stock videos. For the images, we'll head over to Leonardo AI. What you need to do is read the first sentence of your script, imagine an image in your mind, and then write down whatever comes to mind in Leonardo. Don't worry, just jot down what you visualize. And then to make the prompt more professional, we'll use Leonardo AI's prompt improver to refine it. That's how simple it is. After that, just choose a good image model. Adjust the basic settings like aspect ratio and image style, and then generate your images. For stock videos, you can download them from copyright-free stock video websites. I'll leave links to a few of these sites in the description so you can easily check them out. Once our images are ready, we'll download 2 to 3 of them, and you'll repeat the same process for the rest of the script. Now we'll import all of our materials into our editing software. First, place your voiceover on the timeline. Then take some time to eliminate any empty spaces from the voiceover. This basic step plays a huge role in increasing your watch time and keeping viewers engaged. A silent pause every few seconds can irritate many viewers, so never skip this step. After that, simply place all your clips on the timeline and arrange them to match the voiceover. I've received many comments from my viewers about how I perfectly match clips with the voiceover. Look, it's very simple. I gather my clips based on the voiceover. I read through it, and if I don't have a specific clip for a part of the voiceover, I instantly search for it on stock websites or even YouTube. If I still can't find the right clip, I just add stylish captions to fill the gap, and you can do the same. To keep the video engaging, use a combination of animations, transitions, and effects. There isn't a one-size-fits-all approach here because it depends on the type of video you're making, but trust me, with practice, you'll know what works. Now let me tell you something, secret. Simply go to Adjustments and then drag and drop Custom Adjustment on the complete timeline, and then simply scroll down the basic settings and increase value of saturation to 10 and increase contrast to 15. And then scroll down and turn sharpness into 20 and clarity into 35, and then turn vignette into 13. And remember these settings and use them in your every video to enhance the overall quality of your video. One thing I always recommend, no matter the niche, is using captions. Without captions, no video feels complete. There are tons of templates in CapCut, and I even suggest upgrading to CapCut Pro. I use it myself, and there are many additional features you'll get after upgrading. Here's a quick tip. For long videos, use long captions. For short videos, use shorter captions. Finally, add simple background music. Nothing too distracting. For the health niche, you don't need sound effects since it's a calm, informative niche. And there you go. Our video is ready. Let's have a look at what we've created.
Welcome to our channel. Today we're exploring the fascinating world of calorie-free snacks and their surprising effects on hunger. Now you might be thinking, calorie-free? Is that even a thing? Well, grab your favorite snack, preferably one that doesn't come with a calorie count, because we're about to reveal some tasty truths. In this video, we'll explore what calorie-free snacks really are, how they can trick your brain, and whether they actually help curb those pesky cravings. Spoiler alert, it's not all about munching on air. We'll also sprinkle in some science to keep things interesting, because who doesn't love a little brain food with their snack food?
Now guys, it's time to upload our video to your channel with proper and professional SEO. Let's go back to Tube Magic and head to the Optimize section. Then simply click on the title generator and select Content. After that, you'll need to tell Tube Magic what your video is about in 1 or 2 line. To do this, carefully read through your script first. Tube Magic will then provide you with 3 high CTR titles for your video. All you need to do is pick the best one and copy-paste it into your video. Next, let's generate our SEO optimized description. Simply repeat the previous process by writing down what your video is about, select the desired description length, and hit generate. Tube Magic will handle the rest of the work. Once the description is ready, click the icon to copy it, then paste it into your video description. Now, let's get the tags for our video. Again, repeat the same process to get the tag. Once generated, simply copy all the tags and paste them into the tags section. And there you have it. Your video is now completely SEO optimized. It couldn't have been easier. Finally, let's generate our video thumbnail. First, head to ChatGPT and provide it with your full video script. Ask it to generate a short, ready-made image prompt for your thumbnail. Once GPT gives you the thumbnail prompt, simply copy it and head back to Tube Magic. Go to the Tools section, click on Thumbnail Generator, and give your project a name. Then select YouTube video context and paste the prompt there. Click on Generate, and in a few seconds, Tube Magic will create 3 thumbnails for you. You can see the quality of these thumbnails for yourself. They're similar to many trending YouTube videos, and yes, they are AI generated. You can even customize your thumbnails by adding text, adjusting the font, changing the font color, and positioning. However, I prefer to download thumbnail without text, as sometimes a clean, text-free thumbnail creates more curiosity and suspense. Afterward, upload the thumbnail to your video. And simple, choose a good time to upload the video when most of the audience in your target countries are online. And just like that, we've not only created an amazing video in one of the best niches, but also optimized it the right way to ensure it gets the views it deserves. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our Discord community. Stay tuned for more valuable tips and tricks to take your channel to the next level. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.